Alright, so how do traders make money on the chart? Traders make money by making analysis based prediction on the direction of price, profiting from price movements on the chart. So in the previous video, I explained what currency price, what price is, the red and what green bars moving on the chart. So traders make money by making analysis based prediction on whether currency price is going to move up, down, or sideways on the chart. You understand? So if a trader predicts the market to go up at a point and it actually goes up, they will make profit or money. But if a trader predicts it to go up and it actually ends up going the opposite direction, which is down, right, they will lose money. It's as simple as that. So this is how the chart looks like. And then a trader will make analysis based prediction on whether this chart is going to continue pushing up or reverse downwards. So if they make an analysis based decision that it will push up and it actually pushes up, they are going to make money. But if they make analysis based decision is going to push down and it ends up pushing up, they are going to lose money. Same way, if they think it will push down and it pushes down, they will make money. Think it will push down and it pushes up, they will lose money, right? So now we know that traders trade what? Currencies. We trade two currencies against each other. We know that currency price moves up, down, or sideways on the chart, and then we also know that traders profit by what? Making analysis based decisions on what? Whether price is going to push up, push it down, and then if it actually goes in our direction, if you are on the right side of the market, we make profit. Now someone is going to ask, but I don't know how to analyze the chart, right? So that's exactly what this course is going to teach you, how to analyze the trading charts, right? And how to profit from price movement. So this course is going to teach you the apps you need to get started with trading. Some of you don't even know where to start, which apps you download, how to set things up, brokers and all that. So we are going to start with the apps you need to start trading, what a broker means, all those basic concepts, right? And also how to analyze the market. We are going to also work on how to analyze the market, the actual body of the course, which is the strategies and knowing whether this chart is going to keep pushing up, keep pushing down, right? And also which platform the analysis is done on. So traders use a platform for analysis. So we are going to treat everything, how to use that platform, which platform you need to just set you up as a trader, right? Now, where will the course be uploaded? We will currently upload the course on YouTube. So we are offering paid course level teaching all for free. So you can show your support by following the channel, liking, and also subscribe, because that is going to help the YouTube algorithm to push our video to a lot of viewers, and also yes, that is going to help the channel a lot. So we are giving you a paid course level teaching for free, right? So what you do to show your support, appreciation, is to follow the channel, like, and also subscribe, right? A very detailed course is going to be a very detailed course to understand how to make analysis based decisions to profit from the market, right? And the course we uploaded on YouTube, guiding you from the basics all the way to becoming a pro. So you don't have to miss out on this. It's a great opportunity. Now, final remarks. Trading is a highly rewarding skill. It is one of the few skills that can earn you the equivalent of a professional salary in a day or a week. That's very true, right? Trading is one of the few skills that can actually earn you a huge sum of money in a week, a day. There are people trading. You can make $10,000 in a day, $10,000 in a day. You can make $1,000 in a day. You can make $5,000 in a day. You can make $100 in a day. But they all depend on your level of your skill and also your equity, right? The money you are starting with, your account balance, right? But you should understand that when you have your skill and your balance right, you can make what a professional makes in a day, what a professional makes in a month, in a day. So a salary of maybe a doctor, an engineer, just name it. You can just make it in a day or in a week, right? You can make times 3 or 4 of that in a month. So trading is very lucrative. But however, it can also be challenging at times, and you might even feel like giving up. So learning trading is not actually difficult, right? See, but remember, it only feels difficult because you are new to it. Just like when you once struggled with learning the ABCD and 1, 2, 3. They weren't actually hard, but they seemed that way because they were unfamiliar. Trading works the same way. It becomes easier with time and practice. Stay consistent and the progress will follow. Yes, very well said. So Trading, I won't tell you trading is hard from the start, right? Or trading is soft from the start. It gets challenging sometimes, but it's challenging because you're actually new to this concept. You're actually new to it. You haven't experienced something like this before. And it's just like ABCD, because you see the cartoon is even laughing, right? There was a time you actually thought ABCD what or 1 2 3 was actually difficult, right? But now you're writing essays, passing SAT exams, writing your BEC, WASI, whatever it is. So trading is not actually difficult. It's only difficult because what you are new to it. Once you start learning, I'm not going to tell you you have it easy, just understand the concept. It depends, right? So you see, how long will it take me to learn trading? It actually depends on you, depends on how your brain is wired, right? It's not actually, first of all, it's not difficult, but you need to be serious, and then need to stay consistent. Because when you start, you might not there are people who just start, and they just from the onset grasp every concept quickly. So it can take them just a month to learn how to analyze the market. It can take some people 2 months, it can take others 3 4 months to learn to analyze the market. But if you actually think about this in perspective, it's not a lot of months. Even if it takes you a year to learn trading, right? Which to learn a technical analysis, a year is too much, right? But let's say you are very slow and it takes you a year to learn trading. You haven't even spent that much, because remember, you've gone to school over 15 years, and then what do you have to show for? You have a degree or your master's, and then you are working, right? Yes, but trading will yield more than that, and then you spend much less than you're not going to spend 4 years just learning technical analysis. Even the hardest part is that your psychology. It's not even the analysis itself. So once you set up your mind, okay, there are people making money in trading just like me, right? There are people making money in trading who are just like me. So how are they doing this that I can't do it? Understand that it can be done. Don't think, oh, this thing is difficult. Maybe once we start going to the actual course, things might seem a little bit confusing. But it's just because you are new to it. Why do you expect you understand something right from the onset, something that you are new to, right? When the teacher wrote ABCD on the board, you were just staring at it, you were scared. But now you're doing a lot of things with numbers and what letters. So that's how trading works. Trading can be very, I won't tell you when you start learning trading to be smooth and you be making money, billions of cedis or dollars today, in the following day. Yes, it gets challenging, and in trading you are not going to win every time. But what you are aiming for is to what? Have a good risk to reward, which we are going to talk about in the course, and also have what? A proper risk management, right? So yes, the risk reward is under proper risk management, because you are not always going to win every time. There's no one. If someone tells you, oh, he can teach you trading so that you don't lose a trade, you're never going to lose a trade ever. No, it's not done anywhere. But you are going to make what? Be more right than you are wrong. That is what we are aiming for. To have what? A good risk management, and also be more right than we are wrong on the chart. Because trading is not aiming to be what? Complete, or it's not aiming to be how will I say, unbeatable, right? You are trading to be what? To be more right, training to be more right than you are wrong on the chart. And even with a 50% win rate in Forex, with good risk management, you can be profitable, right? So once we start going to the course, I'll be explaining these risk management terms, right? Explaining how you can actually fix yourself in a position whereby even if you lose a trade, you can what? You will not be hurt that much, right? So stick around, and then we'll start uploading the course soon, and then try and benefit from it. Okay.